are ready to go to Mr. Sancho's. We are in Cozumel, Mexico, and we're ready to go. And we got any final words to say before we leave?
Cowabunga? I don't know.
That's California, babe. Anyway, we've got our bags packed, so let's go. What do you want? You want a picture? With your best friend? Okay.
The fish powder, huh?
Oh, they did your feet. You put your feet in there to get the fish. Yeah. Oh yeah, thank you. Very nice. Thank you so much. Toys. Alright, let's look at the Mr. Sancho's menu. This is cocktails. You can get also smoothies if you don't want alcohol so early in the morning. It's kind of early yet right now. We'll drink alcohol later. But these are the drinks menu. You can get beer, soda, bottled water. And there's a food menu. We start off with a mango smoothie and a bottle of water. You like it?
Yes, it's like ice cream.
Mango. We've already secured our chairs over here right in front of us. It's going to be a relaxing day. You happy? What'd you get?
Shrimp tacos and steak fajitas.
Steak fajitas. Coconut shrimp. Yum. He's in the water.
Okay, this is my first time. We're at Mr. Sancho's, and it looks like I'm going to give you the basic line tour. They're preparing for a wedding down there in between the palm trees. I don't know if you can see the white chairs and everything. So I don't know what time that's going to be. We got music pumped in. It's a great spot. And the massage tables are right there if you want a massage. Oh, yeah, that's the fish tank, I'm sorry. If you want to exfoliate your feet with fish, that's the spot. The pool. Okay. And you can have your food delivered, or you can eat in the area near the food. Our chefs for the day. Food was excellent. Food was great. Alcohol, all you can eat and drink. Here's the first shop. Another pool coming up. Hey, how you doing? And then we got a, I don't know what you call it, pavilions. We got a bar by this pool. So they have a lot to offer. It's really good. Hey. Another shop. The place is beautiful. I mean, it's clean, very scenic. Oh, look at that. I know some people would get tripping out on that one. And the superheroes. Yeah, they got superheroes. Has a lot to offer in activities and souvenirs and stuff to get. Oh, they even have these covered cabanas or pavilions. I don't know if they come with it or extra. But Mr. Sancho's, as you can see, is the place to come if you're looking for a variety of things. And the water toys. That's a little extra. So we're going to take a walk on the beach. This is usually my wife and daughter's job. Daughter didn't come. Wife is laying out in the sun. So, as you can see, there's so much extra stuff here that's going on. I'm gonna walk back down to where my wife is at.
There's a wedding on the beach. There she is. There she is. Getting back on the ship. Did you have a good time, buddy?
Yes, I did. I did.
We love Mr. Sancho's.
Yeah.
There's the Infinity. 4 ships today. What a great day we had at Mr. Sancho's today. It was really fun and we enjoyed it a lot. It's definitely somewhere we would return to. It was our first time. And now we actually came back to the room, took a little nap, because that's what you do when you've been out in the sun all day. And we're now heading to a later dinner in the main dining room, and we'll check in later. Bye. Look at that one. That's a cute baby. I like the wiggly eyes.
The other one.
Breathe. Breathe. Woo. Going down to 3.
Next 5, Promenade.
Did you hit 5?
Yes, it is.
1, 3. Those little faces look like ghosts. Looks like Haunted Mansion. Don't they?
Sort of. Veal
Parmesan.
Veal Parmesan crisp with spaghetti and bacon.
I have stuffed portobello mushrooms. William FaceTiming with his dog.
I love you, Hannah.
Can you hear Hannah?
No.
It's loud.
Yeah. Live.
When your husband misses his dog. Very broken up.
Man, we got bad. Hey, baby.
No.
Hey, baby. I miss you.
Do you miss your daughter?
I miss my daughter, too.
But who do you miss?
I miss my daughter.
Misses her. Liza. Can you hear Hannah?
Yeah, you can hear now. What's up? What's up?
What are y'all doing?
Well,
What are y'all doing?
we just lost on slots and we were FaceTiming our daughter.
He's FaceTiming his dog. You having fun?
Yeah.
Had some cocktails. Amaretto sour. What'd you get? Pirate Punch?
Yes.
Come on down. The name of the song and the artist. Name of the song and the artist is what we're looking for. 40 points total to win this trivia. At the side of the road that says 15 miles to the Give yourselves a round of applause.
Aww. You can tell what he is. He's an elephant. Cute, cute, cute. We're back in the room for a minute because we've done a lot. We did 80s trivia. Well, we had dinner and then we did 80s trivia. And we're about to go to see Quest, the Quest game. And it is an adult scavenger hunt. We're probably just going to watch. I've never been, and this is something I always want to go see. So we're going to go there. We're not going to take the camera because there's a lot of people doing a lot of crazy things is what we've heard. So we're going to say goodnight from here, and tomorrow is Progreso, Mexico, and we are going on a excursion through Carnival, and it is a city tour and rum tasting, and we'll take you along with us. But for now, good night.